What is the design of the iPhone 17 like?
The iPhone 17 has a sleek titanium frame with ultra-thin bezels and a flat-edge design.
What display technology does the iPhone 17 use?
It uses a Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate.
What is the screen size of the iPhone 17 Pro Max?
The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a 6.9-inch edge-to-edge display.
What processor powers the iPhone 17?
The iPhone 17 runs on the A19 Bionic chip built on a 3-nanometer process.
How fast is the iPhone 17 compared to the iPhone 16?
The iPhone 17 is around 25% faster in performance and 30% more power efficient.
What is the battery life of the iPhone 17 Pro?
The iPhone 17 Pro offers up to 28 hours of video playback on a single charge.
What kind of front camera does the iPhone 17 have?
It features a 16 LP true depth camera with advanced low light performance.
How many rear cameras does the iPhone 17 Pro Max have?
It comes with a triple camera setup including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses.
What is special about the iPhone 17's camera system?
It includes a 48 MP main sensor with improved night mode and 8K video recording.
What material is used for the iPhone 17 body?
The iPhone 17 is made from aerospace-grade titanium for durability and a premium feel.
What colors are available for the iPhone 17 Pro models?
It comes in space black, silver, desert gold, and deep blue.
What storage options does the iPhone 17 offer?
Storage options include 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, and 2TB.
What operating system does the iPhone 17 run on?
The iPhone 17 runs on iOS 19 with new AI-powered features.
What is the price of the iPhone 17 in the United States?
It starts at around $1,999 for the base model.
What is new about the iPhone 17's Face ID system?
Face ID now works in landscape mode and under various lighting conditions.
How does the iPhone 17 improve battery efficiency?
It uses the A19 chip and adaptive refresh rate to reduce power usage.
What kind of charger does the iPhone 17 use?
It supports USB-C fast charging and MagSafe wireless charging.
How long does the iPhone 17 take to fully charge?
It charges up to 50% in 20 minutes with a 30W charger.
What type of display protection does the iPhone 17 have?
It has ceramic shield protection, making it more resistant to drops and scratches.
What new AI features come with iOS 19 on the iPhone 17?
It includes AI-based photo editing, smart summaries, and on-device translation.
How much does the iPhone 17 weigh?
The iPhone 17 Pro weighs about 200 grams, making it lighter than its predecessor.
What is unique about the iPhone 17 Pro Max display?
It supports always-on display and improved HDR brightness.
What is the refresh rate of the iPhone 17 screen?
It offers a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for smoother visuals.
How does the iPhone 17 handle gaming performance?
It delivers console-level graphics thanks to the A19 GPU and Metal 4 engine.
What kind of speakers does the iPhone 17 use?
It features stereo speakers with spatial audio support.
What is the durability rating of the iPhone 17?
It has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance.
What new camera feature does the iPhone 17 introduce?
It includes a periscope zoom lens for 10x optical zoom.
How does the iPhone 17 improve video recording?
It supports 8K recording with advanced stabilization.
What improvements are made in night mode?
Night mode now captures brighter and more detailed photos in low light.
What connectivity options does the iPhone 17 have?
It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6.0 for faster connections.
How does the iPhone 17 manage heat during heavy use?
It uses a vapor cooling system to prevent overheating.
What security features are added to the iPhone 17?
It includes on-device AI for data privacy and secure facial recognition.
How is the storage speed improved in the iPhone 17?
It uses faster NVMe storage technology for quick app loading.
What's new in the iPhone 17's Dynamic Island?
The dynamic island now supports more widgets and multitasking functions.
How durable is the iPhone 17's frame?
The titanium frame resists scratches and bending under pressure.
How does the iPhone 17 handle multitasking?
It allows split-screen multitasking with smooth transitions.
What kind of SIM support does the iPhone 17 offer?
It supports eSIM only in most regions.
How is the camera quality in bright sunlight?
It produces high-contrast photos with realistic colors.
What new color options are available for the standard iPhone 17?
It comes in mint green, rose pink, sky blue, and midnight.
What type of biometrics does the iPhone 17 use?
It uses Face ID with improved depth sensors for accuracy.
How long can the iPhone 17 last on standby?
It can last up to 100 hours on standby mode.
What is the iPhone 17's maximum brightness?
It can reach up to 2500 nits peak brightness.
How does the iPhone 17 perform in low-light photography?
It captures clear and detailed shots even in dark environments.
What kind of frame rate does the iPhone 17 support for gaming?
It supports up to 120 frames per second for smoother gameplay.
How is the iPhone 17's display different from older models?
It has thinner bezels and higher pixel density for sharper visuals.
What type of zoom is included in the iPhone 17 camera?
It features 10x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom.
What video formats are supported on the iPhone 17?
It supports HDR10, Dolby Vision, and ProRes formats.
What is the sound quality like on the iPhone 17?
It delivers crisp, immersive audio with Dolby Atmos support.
What charging accessories come with the iPhone 17?
It includes a USB-C cable but no power adapter in the box.
What kind of glass does the iPhone 17 use?
It features ceramic shield front and textured matte glass back.
What is the iPhone 17's main selling point?
Its advanced AI camera and titanium body make it stand out.
How does the iPhone 17 manage app performance?
It uses adaptive power allocation for faster app switching.
How much RAM does the iPhone 17 Pro Max have?
It includes 12 GB of high-speed LPDDR5 RAM.
What improvements were made in Siri on iPhone 17?
Siri now works offline and can summarize messages intelligently.
What kind of environmental materials are used?
It uses recycled aluminum and rare earth elements.